Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to play a real classic, Old Maid. It's a super simple, really fun card game for 2 to 6 players, and pretty much anyone age 4 and up can jump right in.
In this quick explainer, you'll learn everything you need to know to get your first game going right away. Okay, so first things first, what's the objective? Your main goal in Old Maid is incredibly simple. Get rid of all the cards in your hand. You do this by making pairs of matching cards and just discarding them. But, and this is the important part, there's a catch. You have to avoid being the player who's left holding that one single card that can't be matched, the Old Maid. If you're stuck with her at the end, you lose. All right, getting started is super fast and easy. Let's talk about the game's setup. Setting up is just 3 easy steps. First, give the cards a good shuffle. Second, deal out all the cards, one by one, to everybody playing. Don't worry if some players end up with an extra card. That's totally normal. And finally, everyone takes a look at their hand and gets rid of any pairs they have right from the start. And here's what that looks like. If you're dealt a pair of kings, for example, you just show everybody, and then you place them down in front of you to start your discard pile. So what if you get more than just a simple pair? Well, if you have 3 of a kind, you just discard the pair and you hold on to that third one. And if you get really lucky and have 4 of a kind, that's 2 pairs. You can discard all 4 cards right away. So once all those initial pairs are out of the way, you're ready to play. Let's get into the gameplay and see how a turn actually works. The player sitting to the left of the dealer is going to take the very first turn. After that, play just goes around the table clockwise from one person to the next. Now, when it's your turn, you don't draw from a deck. Instead, you fan your cards out face down and you offer them to the player on your left. That player then gets to pick any single card they want from your hand. So after they pick a card, the first thing they do is look at it. They're checking to see if that new card they just grabbed happens to make a pair with any card they're already holding. And from here, one of 2 things is going to happen. If the card does make a pair, that's awesome. They get to discard that new pair and their hand gets smaller. If it does not make a pair, no big deal. They just add the new card to their hand, and that's the end of their turn. And now it's that player's turn to do the exact same thing. They'll fan out their hand and offer it to the player on their left, and the game just keeps on going like that. So play continues, with everyone drawing cards and making pairs. And as the game goes on, people will start running out of cards entirely, which brings us to winning the game. So yeah, how does this all end? And maybe more to the point, how do you know who actually lost? The game keeps going until every single possible pair has been made and discarded. As players run out of cards, they're safe. Eventually, there will only be 1 card left in the entire game. And that 1 card, of course, is the Old Maid. The person who gets stuck holding her at the very end is the one who loses. Everybody else is safe. Before you start your first game, here's one little piece of advice to help you out. Okay, the absolute best piece of strategy is this. If you get the Old Maid, try your best to keep a straight face. Don't let your expression give it away. A good poker face might be all it takes to convince the next player to take that unlucky card right out of your hand. And that's really all there is to it. You are now totally ready to play Old Maid. It's a simple, fun game of luck and a little bit of bluffing. So go grab a deck and have fun.